Hello everyone, Dimitri here with VG Tech. Today we'll show you the difference between Liftmaster KPW5 and the KPW250. KPW5 accept only 5 permanent codes. KPW250 accept 250 permanent codes. Also, KPW5 made of plastic and KPW250 made of metal. KPW5 works with Liftmaster Security Plus 2.0, which means Yellow Learn button only. KPW250, it's a universal. It works with Liftmaster Security Plus 2.0 and the Liftmaster Security Plus 315 MHz, 390 MHz, and also multi-code 300 MHz. Both keypads program exactly the same, with the master code 6 times the 8 number. Please remember change the master code after you install the keypad. We're going to set a code 1111 for demonstration only. KPW250 has a great feature: override the system if you have an issue opening or closing the gate. For example, your gate doesn't close because you have an issue with a safety eye or exit loop or any other issue. So you're pressing the regular code and then you press pound and hold it. You will hear the unit makes a beep noise. You will have to hold the pound button until the gate reaches the close position. The override method will work only on Liftmaster yellow button. When you do that, please make sure there is no obstacles or any person standing by the gate. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.